Hey there, tech-savvy viewers. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech gear. Today, we have a sleek and efficient everyday notebook to explore. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3, fresh for 2023. Stick around as we uncover all the fantastic features this laptop has to offer. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Lenovo IdeaPad 3, the everyday notebook designed to elevate your computing experience. Let's delve into what makes this laptop stand out from the crowd. First things first, Lenovo knows how to entertain. With Dolby Audio, the IdeaPad 3 delivers crystal clear sound that will enhance your entertainment experience. Whether you're binge watching your favorite series, streaming music, or catching up with friends via video chat, Lenovo has paid attention to the little details that matter. The IdeaPad 3 boasts a sleek design with narrow bezels on two sides. This design not only looks clean but also provides a larger display area, reducing clutter and making your content shine. See more, do more, and enjoy your content to the fullest. In a world where privacy is paramount, Lenovo has got your back. The IdeaPad 3 features a physical shutter for your webcam, giving you peace of mind when you need it most. Your privacy is at your fingertips, literally. Under the hood, this laptop means business. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3 is powered by an 11th Gen Intel Core processor with integrated Intel UHD graphics. That means you get powerful performance that's perfect for your everyday tasks. It's not just a laptop, it's a reliable companion you can depend on. Here's the beauty of it all. You can work and play from anywhere. The IdeaPad 3 packs a built-in 720p camera with a dual microphone setup. So whether you're collaborating with colleagues or catching up with friends, you'll be heard loud and clear. Plus, with a battery that lasts up to 7.5 hours, you have the freedom to use it when and where you want. And there you have it, folks, the Lenovo IdeaPad 3, your gateway to efficient computing in 2023. With its stunning display, powerful performance, and commitment to your privacy, it's the everyday notebook that has it all. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Lenovo IdeaPad 3, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this notebook, drop us a comment below. Until next time, I'm your host, signing off. Stay tech savvy and stay tuned for more exciting reviews.